Matiang'i orumwaye okarachi meeting na grassroots mobilizers kurukira anse Kenya ngima lakini ndote yo komanya bintebi mirugo ikira bagusi bamanya naki Matiang'i naringe busy somewhere. Matiang'i no mera group gete Matiang'i nagansa consultations abantu boka bagusi barocho online rigiji kashagwa vyeka pinto Matiang'i okora biro bichi meetings tali korokana. Matiang'i oru Nairobi ogenda Narok ogenda Kuria ogenda Kirasi lakini abantu mbama itinga Matiang'i korari chi efforts ichons p komekera chi efforts ichons p kurone nubo gambe bwense bantu ama watea Matiang'i arere kenenge yakokora yeah tia tukona mangana Matiang'i makumuko ogenda asaba ikoyo oitana ne chicken tichons p chi meeting ya otwara bukina mugaso chi aspirants ne chi grassroots influencers lakini kwa makonyoranga pagusimba kwa etiki mbama itiayo fanto mbama itiayo ibaro chi Matiang'i nga araire tu nyomba mwaya kale tasogetirero yeah ase viongozi tubuata si United Opposition baachire Gusii baachire Sigisi baachire Mombasa baachire Kuria batemero ku create the national impact Matiang'i kashagwa ni mama ruchu Mombasa raisi Matiang'i utare chinse mechi Jones lakini ondetamanyeti bantu mbali kukwana bintege bantu mbali korra aseki ekina kingwe boliga kwikala tuli yele problem ga yere nkayi e problem ele asitimi ya Matiang'i ase video na kite tembaire number 1 problem ni communication kurwa asitimi ya Matiang'i ngale yaro Matiang'i ngandara asikite kokorali bintu gite teyo bantu mbali konyara proper communication abantu bagustukia ke Matiang'i no alinga Sigisi ngake Matiang'i na rutoma gena ngake Matiang'i na hekold ngake Matiang'i no alinga radia Narok bantu mbali konyora proper information kurwa se team ya Matiang'i. So there's need for fixing the communication kurwa se ya Matiang'i. As much as abagusitwe bangire, as much as antu toba te bakurumuki, we need as a team ya Matiang'i bali bangenere they up their socks. They have to up their socks ba improve bakole gasingia agere tonya la communication akide ro Matiang'i ngogendali ngochugwa dress yara bantu kete abagusiemio yatere manga Matiang'i is doing something bali bogere baranga ke Matiang'i is doing something bali cost baranga kai Matiang'i oboke lakini bono ondete yo maite nini mweka etimi ya Matiang'i nini mweka mamaite how is it going to make an impact kuchia siku si yende ko sene sengima. Number 2 management. There's a possibility nga management ya Matiang'i nerenzake omuntu kubuli o president ngoso kwale pako gosoka ata today you have to dress this way mambi kukwana you have to present it this way mambi kokogenda interview enjanero chukukwana enjanero kwikaraza enjanero naba Kenya ebintu mbiro mpaka kunere unamukuligere management nero sitimi ya Matiang'i nero usenjire kandaroche management nero okotegera Matiang'i kanisa kerogende okwana bya wika sande na kimungu ano yita kukwana point kikurwa kama kuruligere a team ya Matiang'i there is someone who is missing, there's something that is lacking hara baka experts mbaro lakini management yae nerensake tatebeke mine eyo ndokende roche Kenya nene ndote Turkana Mombasa Sigisi Gusii Boikoyo asaba Somali lakini Matiang'i taraga na sema chonse bantu mbara feel impact ya Matiang'i kirase namura kakenga ninki kengo bodi o maita Raila Amolo Odinga aliko chakanga goli o president Kenya okunga tikana o president juzi Raila Amolo Odinga kako chokole ndiko kunga cross broad based government arwete AU agachake ndiko kokanga anachukua maoni ya Wakenya agachakisiga agaenda bogere agaenda coast akamaganda Mombasa finally ase William Ruto State House bakachukua kumake a decision lakini kero mundu na mate Kenya ngimo yangi Raila ngojukana nali kulia maoni y'abantu igoruna batagete toso serikali go sentoswa ntobana takora Matiang'i kabate kosikete what is he up to stage kiale asigasia stage kigera boniga asamanga naye yokuligia chikura ngayale tio bisya kwigora ikiama cross isi aspirants yakumira grassroots mobilizers ya cross agents ya kuligia chikura kurigia sabantu ngwe manyale ngai atageteti boni gakiro munda metenga tale 21st igeti gashagwa ko gendara alia murwa dikira aguru abu agene ngumbu Matiangi ntuba ti plan buna public to menga mete e plan ki rumuntu anyi maite utotoro motivation okonye rumuntu le cost ate anga Matiangi mbube ekinta gukora tafe meeting yauna yalinga kwa magonga kai la Matiangi no le cost ga abantu bakunyukwana no alega lakini bono ikende kumete ngiyo bantu mbati motivation kiro munda metenga Matiangi are sifuna vyo kokale campaign kiro munda metenga kalunza alibeta kuba Matiangi kiro munda ukwana we don't need to look Matiangi from a different eye and when kuligeli mono to makora hapana we don't need to take time to focus ki Matiangi akokora kai bamura to ringa ndakora that should not be the way mando kunjura amesona kwa oyo Matiangi kai ngiakokora abantu ukwana ngiateba iganaiga kai oyo Matiangi ngiakokora abantu gutebya ayana that is what we expect at this point every day nanye kora specifically kuchese timu ya Matiangi na akore abantu bichi besa ti billionaires bagusina batebiri konya Matiangi na akore nabangwana bana muziki ni terra Matiangi na akore na wananchi baka waida ngo batebya watachikura tozugume Matiangi wana lere video nanye kora for the sake of which Matiangi team we need to see some seriousness kurase ina team ya Matiangi we need to see some seriousness abantu batyo ko ba selfish ngabo ati Matiangi ondore na lenge umanyere ni mubato ko ngai okoresa bali we need to see people who are concerned we go na ki dara Matiangi na to mukutano kirenge ntumbi yakere atenti abikiro chika mangana mbiali speech yana kire mbiyere ninkiyacho gukwana nkiyacho gukarero kuruwa impact na kire abantu nabanga guse bacha yanye abantu bakubulia maswali yengenjo taliringa nkwana Matiangi andale ngari kondo nkwana Matiangi mai nonda ntabi na kimute to kusikyo mutu Matiangi ngayale kagutarana ro kurenzemo kwa mutu yekene keteyo no muri ugustrako kabzura muri chani nga so long as Matiangi mai nole kagechu kuba kende nga always considered on the tail of what the genuine concerns in aki Matiangi ngo improve wale the reason why got ever boy it's because of the consistent problems to address it me Matiangi consistent problems kuruna chage to kucha are the same things like now the PS system ya Matiangi is among the best ndo ntuko tware a system ya Matiangi useto chakuri to munyugorere naba kuzitwa mwena ki Matiangi around here to kumugorere system e baby bano nkurikiye go said till twende tulete system ya 1-2 million tunye pack tomate to chigari tunye beki chigari chikoboro to muchange to beke system chigari to te bono soegas e campaign nge koboro to imuke to campaign mato te abantu babulire drive viral to book we started the campaigns into work because we can do it to the abantu Matiangi akolo go we can say it Matiangi no alinga city akakorega aso education akakorega aso interior akakorega wagana World Bank akakorega agende asomire school secondary menyanya asomire ga university asomire Nairobi University kucha we can be able to point out even to Matiangi akolo because that's what Kenyans need to know okay isa comment section ya ntabi na ki inkimorochi Matiangi agana to improve bia mna sana nyasaba sasa na chakira production ya furniture ibiroge bimorochi ngo play video gabo they're among the best around you go market beds I think I'm the king of market beds because I think ebitanda bune bibya na chakira mwana production of furniture akusiba minto promote nerenjera nanya ukine ningole microphone mwaro renga ebitanda ibire of quality and good colors we consider actually we prefer quality and beauty and the smart kubata nyumba you feel good and to produce nga kresi mianimo kwa times ntabike tanduka niti 4x6 3.5 5x6 6x6 we come up with a very nice design to go to merenga this is what we need we deliver it at your home tonya utaraga and our for those who are concerned they would to me as per to this stage ngotumia mulingam ometebija eba chongorogete yaro sikiru yaro sikitanda yaro si emesa yakoleta simple and clear boniga ndonaga nyabo gusiboka Ruge ngusi yana chakete kon na chakete ebitande ngusi yana chakete kon promote kurukusia tuma usko eskunya saka kwanja bia mno sana musesi ndikuti karabia